Mustard cake powder, also known as mustard seed meal or mustard cake, is a byproduct of mustard oil extraction. It is an organic fertilizer and soil amendment that can be used in gardens to improve soil fertility and promote plant growth. It is a good source of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and other essential nutrients for plants. The NPK value of mustard cake fertilizer is typically 4:1:1, which means that it contains 4 parts of nitrogen, 1 part phosphorus, and 1 part potassium. What are the advantages of using mustard cake powder in your garden? Before we start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification for more gardening videos. There is a lot to like about using mustard cake powder in garden soil. Below are some of the best notable benefits for your plants and soil. Number 1. As a fertilizer. The mustard cake powder, which is also known as sarson khali, has a long history of use as a natural plant food in India, particularly for flowering plants and vegetable crops. If you use it as a slow-release plant food, the plant you are feeding will receive all of the essential trace elements of nourishment that it needs to flourish. Number 2. The enhanced qualities of mustard cake in the soil protect against the plant from fungi infections due to root deteriorating. In addition, it suppresses the insects like nematodes as well as aphids. Number 3. Compost Accelerator. Mustard cake powder is a valuable addition to compost pile as it helps speed up the decomposition process. Its high nitrogen content aids in breaking down organic matter and generate heat, which accelerate the composting process. Number 4. Soil conditioner. Mustard cake powder acts as a soil conditioner by improving its structure and water holding capacity. It helps prevent soil erosion and aids in retaining moisture, which is beneficial for plant growth. Mix it with this soil during preparation or apply it as a mulch around plants to improve the overall soil quality. Number 5. Plant-specific application. Certain plants like roses and tomatoes have specific nutrients requirements. Mustard cake powder can be used to meet these requirements by applying it directly to the plants. Mix a small amount of powder with water to create a dilute solution and use it as a foliar spray. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos.